Welcome to English Coffee Podcast. Take a seat, relax, and imagine a warm cup of coffee in your hands.
Before we start, let's quickly introduce ourselves.
Hi everyone, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack.
Today we're talking about three small but powerful words.
Be, been, and being.
Have you ever tried speaking English and suddenly stopped?
Because you weren't sure, is it be, been, or being?
And then, silence.
Don't worry, today we fix that.
Let's start with BE. Think of be as your dream word.
It's about what you want to become, or what you should do.
For example, I want to be confident in English. I want to be successful.
Or simple advice. Be careful. Be kind.
So be is about direction, not time.
Now let's talk about being. This one is about experience.
Not just past, but past that still matters now.
For example, I have been busy today. I have been to New York.
I have been learning English for 2 years.
Important point. We never say I been. We say have been/has been.
Think of being as your life experience word. Now the last one, being. This is about the present moment.
But temporary, not permanent.
For example, you are being quiet today. I am being honest with you.
She is being very kind today.
Compare this. You are quiet equals personality. You are being quiet equals just now.
That's the power of being.
Let's make it simple. Be to dreams, advice, direction.
Been to experience, life journey.
Being right arrow, temporary behavior. Now. That's it. No stress. Remember, English is not about perfection. It's about confidence and connection.
Mistakes are okay. Silence is not. So keep speaking, keep learning, keep growing. If this episode helped you, subscribe to English Coffee Podcast.
Like this episode and share it with someone learning English. See you in the next coffee conversation.